Traveling is one of life's greatest adventures, but even the most seasoned travelers make mistakes that can turn a dream trip into a logistical nightmare. If you want to avoid unnecessary stress, wasted money, and awkward moments abroad, keep watching, because today, I'm sharing the most common travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Trust me, these tips will save you time, frustration, and maybe even your vacation. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes: overpacking. It's easy to fall into the what if trap, packing for every possible scenario instead of focusing on what you'll actually need. This often comes from a lack of strategic planning and an emotional attachment to having options. But here's the catch: overpacking doesn't just make your suitcase heavy and inconvenient, it can cost you serious money. Many airlines charge hefty fees for overweight or extra baggage, and dragging around a bulky suitcase can make getting around far more stressful. Interestingly, the size of your luggage plays a huge role in how much you pack. If you start with a large suitcase, you'll likely fill it, whether you need to or not. Instead, try using a carry-on and only sizing up if absolutely necessary. A great trick? Lay out everything you think you need, then remove half of it. Stick to versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Check if your hotel provides essentials like toiletries or hairdryers, and consider whether you'll have access to laundry facilities. The smarter you pack, the less you spend, and the easier your trip will be. Speaking of unnecessary costs, here's another mistake travelers make: ignoring baggage restrictions. Every airline has different size and weight limits, and exceeding them can lead to unexpected fees at the airport. Always check your airline's baggage policy before you pack, and weigh your bag at home to avoid surprises at check-in. Now, let's talk about a mistake that can cost you big time: ignoring visa requirements. Imagine arriving at your destination, excited to explore, only to be turned away at immigration because you didn't check if you needed a visa. Before you book your flight, always double-check the entry requirements for your destination. And if you do need a visa, apply well in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Speaking of costly mistakes, let's talk about currency exchange. Exchanging money at the airport might seem convenient, but it often comes with terrible exchange rates and high fees. Instead, use local ATMs or a travel-friendly credit card with no foreign transaction fees to get the best rates. And here is a pro tip: always change your money at destination country, you will get the best rate. While we're on the topic of money, don't rely on a single payment method. Always carry a mix of cash and cards in case one doesn't work. Another mistake that can seriously impact your trip: not informing your bank about your travel plans. Banks monitor for suspicious activity, and a foreign transaction could trigger a freeze on your card. A quick call or online notification before you leave can save you the headache of dealing with a blocked card while abroad. Now, let's talk about accommodations. Booking a hotel purely based on price without checking reviews is a recipe for disappointment. That budget-friendly hotel might look great in photos, but reviews will tell you if it's in a noisy neighborhood, has unreliable Wi-Fi, or worse, bed bugs. Always read recent traveler reviews before booking to avoid unpleasant surprises. Another common mistake: underestimating travel time. Whether it's a tight connection between flights, an ambitious sightseeing itinerary, or assuming public transportation will always be on schedule, not allowing buffer time can lead to missed flights, rushed experiences, and unnecessary stress. Give yourself extra time to get from place to place so you can actually enjoy your trip instead of racing against the clock. Let's talk about food, because making dining mistakes abroad can be frustrating. Research local dining customs so you don't unintentionally offend or embarrass yourself. In some countries, tipping isn't expected, while in others, it's a must. Some places have strict mealtime customs, like Spain's late-night dinners or Japan's no talking on the phone rule in restaurants. A little research goes a long way in making sure you enjoy your meals like a local. Another mistake travelers often make: overplanning or underplanning their itinerary. Packing every minute of the day with activities can leave you exhausted, while having no plan at all can lead to wasted time. The best approach? Have a rough itinerary with flexibility built in, so you can adapt based on your mood, energy levels, and unexpected discoveries. Now, let's talk about a safety mistake: failing to make copies of important documents. Losing your passport, travel insurance, or hotel reservations can turn into a nightmare if you don't have backups. Always carry digital and physical copies of your essential documents in case of emergencies. Finally, one of the biggest travel mistakes? Not immersing yourself in the local culture. Sticking to tourist spots, avoiding local foods, and not attempting even a few words in the local language can make your trip feel superficial. Step out of your comfort zone, interact with locals, and embrace the unique experiences each destination has to offer. And that's it. By avoiding these common travel mistakes, you'll have a smoother, more enjoyable trip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the worst travel mistake you've ever made? Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.